When we talk about communication, so what will be the first thing that comes into our mind? In general sense or in layman's language, you can say that communication is exchange of messages as it is being shown in this picture, right? But no, it's not only the messages. Communication means something more than just sharing of messages. So let's understand the meaning. Communication is actually derived from a Latin word communicare, which means want to share something. That means we are trying to communicate, right? Now, what we are sharing. Communication is a function which is performed to share our feelings, thoughts, views, and ideas with others. Or we can say that it is also a process that aims at the understanding of the communicators. So, now here we need to understand who are the communicators. So, communicators are those people, those parties who are involved into the process of communication. See, when we are talking to someone, I am also communicator, you are also communicator. We both are trying to talk to each other. That means we are trying to communicate with each other, right? So, the basic process, the basic thing that we need to understand is that we need to make it sure that we communicate successfully, right? So, this is the entire objective of studying this subject in other part of your course, that we should be good communicators, because in our life we need to go through various kind of situations. We need to enter into the corporate world and working in some organizations. Everywhere communication is required, right? And if we are not a good communicator, that means we are not going to do very good in our future or in our career. So we need to be a good communicator, and this is the meaning of communication, that we should know how to share our ideas, thoughts, and views with others. And we should also try to aim at the understanding of the others, not only the others. When they are talking to us, we should understand them. And we should also make it sure that when we are trying to communicate, we are trying to express our ideas, views, and thoughts, we are also able to communicate in a proper way, right? So that will ensure a good understanding. Then understand the principles of communication. The first principle of communication says that it is transactional. Transactional means it is a two-way process. That means that we have, whenever we communicate, we start a process of communication. We need some feedback also, right? It is just like give and take. Or for example, if you go to market to buy some product,